Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you do enjoy the video. Now, watch it. Let's go.
There is nothing our eyes have not seen. There is nothing our ears have not heard. There is no word that we have not said. You know the people that went yesterday to protest against our wonderful and wisdom and amazing leader Nnamdi Kanu yesterday in the British High Commission in Abuja demand that our leader Nnamdi Kanu should return back to Nigeria. They have failed. Now listen to the response from the UK, the British Army, what they said to these people, the British Commissioner, their response to them. Hear the news in details. Now, before I start, after these people say what is in their mind, that our leader need to come back, that he has caused a lot of problem in the land of Nigeria per se, and they went there to protest. In fact, there were like 6 or 7 people that went there to protest yesterday, that he need to come back, he's doing this, he have Eastern Security Network, he's fighting against this, he's fighting military, he's fighting policemen. And they respond to them and said, the IPOB leader, as in December 2020, you know, these people, they forgot that they are dealing with intelligent people. These are people that keep record. He said they respond to them and said the IPOB leaders had in December 2020 launched Eastern Security Network to protect the people of Southeast and South region from terrorism and bandits. Can you imagine that? Is there a lot of them trip in from the north? That was another response that the British High Commissioner gave to them. The response they got when they went to that place, one of the army came out and disclosed it, that they know our leader Nnamdi Kanu for years, and they should never forget that the IPOB movement is registered organization. Whoa. That is another big blow. Is a registered organization, that IPOB is not just a mere organization only in Nigeria, that is all over the world, that our leader Nnamdi Kanu made his petition known to everyone about what he's going to do, that before our leader Nnamdi Kanu established this Eastern Security Network, every one of them are already aware, so there is nothing they can do about it. That is another great shock. Let's still go on and see more response they gave to them. And they move forward to say that Kanu also told them that the outfit as a replica of the Western Nigeria Security Network, also known as Amatiku, earlier launched by the governors of the Southwest to curb insecurity in the region. Did you understand that? For you to know that before they even climb, our leader Nnamdi Kanu is always ahead of them. His intention is of a perfect mind. His intention is of a great mind. His intention is of a great source. Because average people, they are not aware that he launched Eastern Security Network, then it would have been a different case. But he made them understand. That's to say, he has no cockroach in his cupboard. He has no secret. He's so transparent as any other thing. Look at what the response they gave to them. So let me pause to ask a question. If Southwest establish a movement of which the governors are aware about it, if Southwest governor could say there is insecurity in the land, our people need to go to farm very peacefully, and they establish this, what is making the Southeast governor to be so selfish within themselves that they don't want to let go, they don't want to let loose? Imagine in the South west, everything is going on well, and they back up these people. So why is it that in our own side the governors are so selfish? They know that if Eastern Security Network operates under the leadership of Mazi Kanu, with the rubbish they are doing, everything is going to be exposed, because I know there is a lot of hidden secrets that they are still doing, that Eastern Security Network is going to put in place. And nevertheless, no matter how they hide, they can never run. We will still go deep into them and fetch all of them out. And they also respond more to them. They said the solely aim and objective of this newly formed security outfit known as Eastern Security Network is to hurt every criminal activities and terrorist attack on Biafra land, Kanu has earlier said. Could you imagine? This is another big blow. You hear the response of these people. When I saw the video they made yesterday, I said, did these people think that UK is like Nigeria? You don't just go and say this person steal without them not finding out what was stolen by the person. They have to do that thorough investigation. And when they brought out all these points, know that Mazi Kanu's case is already on their table. They know everything that is going on. They are aware of everything. So I see no reason why we should let this person to come to Nigeria. Do you think these people, they are fools? They are the ones protecting our leader. Israel is there because we are the sons and daughters of Israel. We believe in the vision of God given to our leader Mazi Kanu, and we all will follow suit. Now let's go forward for the response they also gave to them. Now they also go forward to express some of the words that our leader told them, some of the write-up our leader told them why he established this Eastern Security Network. Now let's go. He said this outfit, which is a vigilante group like the Amokute in the southwest and the Matiala security outfit, we ensure the safety. Listen, we ensure the safety of our forest and farmland, which terrorists has converted into slaughtering ground and raping field. You see it? You hear the response given to them. So now, who is ashamed of all this rubbish? If you want our leader to come back, you are not the one that will tell him to come back before he will return back to Nigeria. Someone that has lost his own family, do you think is afraid to come back? Let me ask, did you guys think that our leader Mazi Kanu is afraid to come to Nigeria? He is never afraid because he has sacrificed a lot. He has lost his mom, dad, a lot of things because of this movement of Biafra. And we must definitely get the Biafra because God is his strength. Long live Mazi Kanu. Long live the beautiful land of Biafra. Long live Eastern Security Network. Long live...
My word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.